Hello friends. ITC is one of the largest FMCG company in India. In this video, we will analyze the annual report which will help you to have deeper understanding of business and products. In the end, we will also do a bit of number crunching as well. On the first look, the annual report looks pretty nice, but I'm straight away jumping into the ITCs Businesses. Here is a quick snapshot of ITCs Businesses. ITC has 13 business in 5 segments, which are FMCG, agribusiness, hotels, paperboards and packaging, and IT. We will talk about all these businesses and performance in detail little later. As you may know, ITC was primarily focused on cigarettes and later diversified into other segments. Within a relatively short time, ITC built 25 mother brands, and many of which are market leader in the segment. Here it shows some key brands which are number 1 and 2 in position in the market. Here brands like Ashirvad, Bingo, Sunfeast is not only the number 1, but they also bring sizable revenue to ITC. Here it shows the revenue contribution of key brands to the ITC. Next, we will look at one of the most important thing in annual report, which is management discussion and analysis. I will skip the socio-economic environment, which generally talk about the global and Indian macroeconomics. The next section, financial performance for the year, is one of the most important for the investors. The overall gross revenue increased 2.4% and profit before tax before exceptional loss grew 4.6%. Exceptional loss is the cost of leaf tobacco stock that was destroyed due to fire at a third-party owned warehouse. The insurance claim is under process. Profit after tax grew 21.4% and it's mainly aided by the corporate tax reduction. EPS for the year is at 12.33 versus 10.99 in the previous year. Free cash flow for the year is at 11,693 crores, which is up 30%. During the year, the company and the subsidiary earned 4,597 crores via export, of which 3,506 is on account of export of agri-commodity. The next section talk about performance of all individual businesses. The company classified FMCG into 2, which are FMCG cigarettes and FMCG other. The FMCG cigarettes is still the largest revenue generator and get near 80% EBITDA from this. FMCG cigarette business performance was weak due to overall weakness in demand. The company launched several new variants during the year, especially in the premium end. The next is FMCG other. It has categories like the branded packaged foods, the personal care products, education and stationery, and incense sticks or agarbattis. The overall industry growth was at 7% until Q3. The growth was near half of previous years. The rural growth was weaker. Overall, revenue growth from this segment grew at 5% for the ITC. Some key performance brands, the Ashirvad, Dark Fantasy, EP were the key growth drivers in branded packaged food business. The shower gels, body wash, hand sanitizers, Nimile floor cleaners grew very well in personal care segment. But Engage deodorants, Vival bar soaps, the performance was weak. Overall, when you see the financial performance, the revenue was up 5%, the segment EBITDA grew 32.8%, aided by the margin expansion of 160 bips. And EBITDA margin is at 7.1%, and this improvement is due to the larger scale and the product mix. Coming to the branded packaged food, the company is now the third largest publicly listed food company. The company is focused on first to market offers and distinctive products. ITC acquired 100% stake in Sunrise Food, which is market leader in spice category in the eastern India. In personal care products, the Fiyama hand wash, Vivel body wash, Savlon hand wash, Numile floor cleaners witnessed robust growth. Performance of bar soaps and fragrance was subdued. The company launched several first-to-market offers. Please check the highlighted docs for the details, and I will soon attach it to the descriptions. Education and stationery product was adversely impacted due to the weak demand and tight liquidity situations. Agarbatti industry also witnessed deceleration in growth due to slow demand. The next key segment is hotels. The hotel segment saw pickup in demand until Q3. In 9 months, the revenue grew 19% and it was driven by the new properties. The segment EBITDA grew 34%. However, due to COVID-19 impact, full year revenue growth was at 10% and EBITDA growth was at 12%. Overall, hotel business has 109 properties and over 10,250 rooms under 4 brands, which are ITC Hotels, Welcome Hotels, Fortune and Welcome Heritage. Next is paper boards, paper and packaging division. The industry remained weak and company performance was in line with the industry. In agribusiness, the leaf tobacco is the main business. Other than this, the company is focused on enhancing presence in high value-added segments via spices, processed fruits, frozen marine products, etc. ITC Master Chef range frozen prawns comply the safety standards of US, EU and Japan. While the management discussion and analysis has lot more details of smaller subsidiaries. In case you are interested, please check the highlighted document I will attach to the description. Coming to the financial, we have seen the revenue is up 2.4%. The profit before tax before exceptional item is up 4.6%. The profit after tax is up 21.4%, mainly aided by the reduction in corporate tax. The operating margin is at 41.8% compared to 40.9% in the previous year. The profit margin is at 32.9% versus 27.6% in the previous year. And when quickly looking at the balance sheet, it's pretty nice to see the investments in financial assets, cash increasing, and the trade receivable decrease even in such a tough market environment. Cash flow from operation and free cash flow is increasing. Thank you for watching. Do leave your feedback and comments. Thank you.